Good day, everyone. Thanks for joining us here in the charts. You tuned into the Crypto Flight Edition. It is your fellow passenger stopping. We have some technical details on the XRP and USD pairing. I actually have one line that we all should take note of and understand whether or not it's going to continue to explode to the upside, or if we need to take a step back and understand it. If it gets stuck below a specific level, is it going to continue to consolidate? We're going to get into the details here. If you're loyal and you subscribe, thank you. If you're new here, consider joining us. Let's go ahead and dive right into the charts here and pull up the lines. All right, that's it. Super simple. These are the weekly candles, and you're looking at like a black line, which represents the line in the sand for me in terms of what I can see on the chart here. And before we actually get over to present day, where the price activity is taking place, what we're going to do is go in the past, just so I can further explain why this level is so important. So again, these are weekly candles. This is actually a developing weekly candle, which has about 72 hours to actually close. And let's just go on over, scoot on over to the left here, and I want to show you that the weekly candles here, I think it's pretty obvious that overall XRP is in a very interesting overall, I guess it's in an uptrend, right? But it just experienced a very lengthy consolidation phase. If we just kind of back out, I say consolidation phase, I'm referring to all of this price activity that takes place below this black line. So all this would be consolidation. Let's actually measure how much time it's been consolidating. We'll start from the red circle and go all over to the green circle, assuming this is an official breakout. Wow, 1,127 days. So guys, if XRP can actually close above, let's just go ahead and reveal what the black line represents, the level rather. So this black line represents 89 cents. Okay, so if XRP can actually stay above, or just like at least within the relative range of this level here, and just kind of consolidate and coil up to continue to blast off to the upside, that would be pretty good, because again, I just measured 1,000, just over 1,100 days of consolidating before XRP has actually revisited this black line here. So if we just kind of zoom in here, and then if you notice like how this green circled area, when the weekly candle actually closed above this level, it actually exploded to the upside, where it actually topped out. Well, the most recent high, I can't say it topped out. XRP could be gearing up to go to like $20 or something, right? I'm not sure, but it actually exploded like 268% the last time it closed a weekly candle above this line, and December the 18th, 2017. And just kind of notice this, after it, had its high, and of course it came down to have a very severe retracement. Notice the price activity that took place near this line again. You see how it's just kind of, it coiled up near this line, and eventually it closed another weekly candle below it, and it just kind of went down, went back up to retest it as resistance. And yeah, ever since then it's been in a really frustrating sideways consolidation. Well, I mean, not necessarily to the long-term investors. I mean, if you guys are watching SRP and you see it at the price, you're just buying, right? But I just want to stress the importance of this 89-88 cent level. It's a really important line, guys. Over the next 72 hours, it's going to get really interesting in the market. Okay, just understand that the market could continue to explode to the upside, because there's been a very lengthy amount of consolidating taking place in this market, which I'm not sure if anyone has actually recognized this yet. I'm pretty sure someone has, but this is really powerful for this asset, and it's truly going to show some strength here if it can stay above 89 cents. Let's take a look at the RSI to see where it is. So yeah, the RSI is approaching the overbought territories. I mean, that's fine, because it's done that before when it did it over here back in November the 9th, 2020, and it kind of topped out here, had a most recent high rather, and we're in the same area here. So if we just put like a horizontal line, just to get an idea of what happened to the price activity once it actually got above the 70 level, which is right about here. So this 70 level, like right here, I'm just trying to point out like when the RSI broke above that level and it actually had a most recent high. I'm trying to get like a percentage of how high it actually went, so that we can kind of be on the same page in terms of measuring a percentage or like a price target to the upside. So the first thing is we'll actually turn that a different color so you can see it. Okay, so that black vertical line right there. So what we're going to do is just go over to the price action and just kind of align it with that to see how high the price went. Okay, so you can see it right here. It's pretty clear. See when the RSI actually broke above that level that we pointed out, it went up. Let's just kind of do a total measurement of the from there. Let's see. So it went up 196%. Okay, that's pretty good actually. So let's just kind of go over here back to the RSI and correspond another horizontal line as it has broken above that line once again. So let's just see if we can kind of see if we can get another measurement, right? What did I say? 196%. So let's just say maybe, no, speculatively, it's the same thing will happen again. Let's see, 196% would translate to just under $2. That's not the full potential, but just kind of rough estimate of what took place when the RSI broke above the 70 level down here. Put a little horizontal line if you guys missed it, just like right about there. So when it breaks above that line, we can expect to see, well, it happened in the past, right? We're only going from one reference point. And we've also measured it actually going up like 268% the first time. But I think this is going to get really interesting in the market. You have the one level that it needs to stay above, 89 cents. If it can stay above this 89-cent level again over this like 72 hours, and let's just say that it actually gets really volatile. I'm not sure, right? If it kind of like whiplashes and kind of retest the previous level of resistance and then goes up, I mean, that would be perfectly normal as well. Again, XRP is very volatile, guys. Just execute your strategies out there. Let's let this play out, and let's see if XRP can close above that one level, 89 cents, to see if it can continue to explode at a conservative target of just under $2. So that's all I have for you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed that. Leave an appropriate thumb just below the video there, guys, to support the channel for the YouTube algorithm so that we can promote the channel and the videos. Thank you for that. And that's pretty much it. So take care of yourselves and execute your strategies out there. And bye for now.